Following that, though, we have Asus is selling the largest micro LED monitor ever for a cool 200K. So if you got 200K lying around, it's unfortunately only 4K and low refresh rate. But it does hit a 2000 nit peak brightness at 135 inches, and it is a ProArt Cinema. Now, Asus's ProArt lineup usually means it's color graded extremely well, and it delivers nearly infinite contrast ratios just like OLED displays. But the main reason I brought this article up, so it is the largest micro LED money can buy for $200,000, and it doesn't use panels from Samsung because its 0.78 pixel pitch is lower than that Samsung showed earlier this year. So whose display are they really using? No one really knows. Probably in-house, because if you're Asus, you might as well do that. No one actually knows here. But $200,000 price tag, color gamut is 95% DCIe P3, which is just shy of the level that the best OLED displays can achieve. It also is limited to 60 hertz. I think for what this is, probably totally fine. But this does let us talk about the difference between OLED and micro LED displays. So OLED uses organic material to display, which is kind of why you get burn-in quicker. They only last so long. They start to lose brightness over time. All of that stuff is because they use organic emitters that can degrade over time. Now, micro LEDs use more stable inorganic ones. So OLED LEDs pixels are used being organic materials using tiny individual pixels that can light up. Now, the brightness. Micro LEDs are brighter than OLEDs and have the ultra-low black levels as well. Micro LEDs are also more durable than OLEDs and have a higher lifetime, as we were just covering. Micro LEDs also can generate significantly less heat than conventional LEDs, which means they are less likely to have pixel failure. And at the end of the day, micro LEDs will have a higher color gamut than OLEDs. Just kind of to be seen here. We're just kind of tapping into micro LEDs. This is kind of the new thing. Micro LEDs also have the potential to create highly efficient and great-looking flexible displays. So flexible displays are capable of this. The only thing these mini LEDs or micro LEDs do worse than OLED is their viewing angles start to suck. So OLEDs have almost 180 degrees of viewing angles, and mini LEDs are a little more sketchy, but overall still not too bad.